Hello, now it's a weekend, and today and tomorrow I will kayak around Sula, and now I'm leaving Ålesund, and weather is very nice, and forecast also is very nice. I will try to fish a little bit and sleep outside, I think. It's amazing. The sea is like a mirror. Rain, and I hope it will not be rain for all day, and I need some new energy. Here at Stavsatnes is this nice old building from year 1500, and it has been used for a trading station and post office between Ålesund and Fjords. So it's very nice. At that time all the traffic was going with boats and not with cars as today. Oh. My dinner, yes. This is my smallest tent. They said it would not be rain, so therefore I use this, and it's okay. I sleep very well, and it's working. Good morning. Today is Saturday, and I will kayak home to Ålesund around Sula. And I slept well in my smallest tent. So the weather forecast is very good. So I think it will be a nice trip. So hang on. I enjoy very much to kayak close to land. I can see birds, animals, and of course it's more safe. There is no ship traffic and so on. Energy. This is warm food from my breakfast. I forgot my spoon. Knife is good. In a kayak you are practically sitting on water, and that is amazing. You are so close to the elements. when kayaking alone, I always have this with me. It's fixed here, and it can send emergency signals to satellites and ships in nearby. So it's a safety. And I'm home. This trip was fantastic for me. I hope you liked the video, and hope I see you in my next video. Goodbye.